Upon arrival, only one connection is required on the 7PS90, as all other connections have already been made before shipment of the unit. 1/2 inch to 1/2 inch straight MP adapter needs to be purchased and installed, as it is not supplied by Advanced Tapco. This adapter should be installed to the bottom of the vertical ball valve on the bottom of the heater as shown. The only flex hose that needs to be purchased and installed is a 3/8 flex hose, which should be attached to the brass MP adapter that was just installed and tightened with a wrench. Next, install the other end of the flex hose to the cold water supply and tighten with a wrench. The first step in mounting the unit is to install the provided wall clip at the necessary height to allow for engagement with the turn down on the rear side of the sink. Install the sink to the top of the mounting clip as shown, ensuring that it is firmly in place. Please note that there are additional mounting holes in the back of the unit if further security is desired.